Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Manan and this video is about best out of waste with newspapers. So please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's begin. Take a piece of a cardboard and draw a shape of a feather on it. Now cut it down. After that, start making your paper rolls. To make the paper rolls, just roll the paper like this. At the end, stick the Fevicol to it. Make at least 30 to 40 paper strips. It also depends on the size of your cutout. Apply the glue at the center of the cutout and stick 2 paper rolls at the center like this. Apply glue to one of the sides of the cutout. And according to the size of your feather, cut the paper rolls and stick them like this. After completing both the sides, just cut the rolls coming out. Now color the entire feather with white color to create a base coat for coloring. This step is done so that no paper print should be seen after coloring. Now color the feather according to your choice. You can either color it plain with a single color or make it colorful like I am doing right now. And then you can also make different patterns or designs on it. Now we will start making the paper strips for the basket. To make the paper strips, just fold the paper like this. And then staple it. Make at least 20 paper strips for the basket. Now we will take 6 strips as we are making 6 by 6 basket, and now we will place one strip horizontally like this and then staple the first and the last end. And now we will start weaving the other strips like this. Now once that you are ready with the weaving of the basket like this, fold the ends for the height of the basket. Now start weaving the edges as shown in the video. Use as many strips as you want to create the height of the basket. After that, cut the leftover strips in the same level. Now push the leftover strips inside and staple it down for the clean edge. Now color the entire basket with white color to create a base coat for coloring. After that, color it as you want. Tear the paper in any size or shape. After that, keep it aside. And mix Fevicol and water in same level. And then apply the Fevicol on the phone cover. After that, stick the newspapers on it. And after sticking all the newspapers, just cut the extra paper. And then apply varnish to it. Let it dry.
24 hours later.
Then you can also write some quotes or something on your phone cover if you want.